Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reorder the payment options on the checkout pages on your LifterLMS website. So, as you can see here, my first option is PayPal, second is Stripe, and third is the manual gateway. And if you'd like to change the order of these, you can simply head to the LifterLMS settings. From here, we should be able to go to checkout and scroll all the way to the bottom, and we can see right here, I can hover over and drag these around. So if I want manual on top, then Stripe, then PayPal, I'll order them like that, save changes, and when I reload the purchase page, we should see manual on the top, then Stripe, then PayPal. So that's how you can reorder these on the checkout page of LifterLMS courses and memberships. Feel free to suggest any videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.